What are we going to do to clean up something like this? We've got a bit of separation, etc., and unevenness on the exterior side of the fascia. We've got a join up in the top, as you see. So what can we do? I'm going to tell you in a minute. And here's the answer. This is the Sheetrock 20. It's a compound mix, as you can see, and it dries nice and solid. It doesn't matter about the rain or the wet, but it's chemically mixed, therefore it's going to dry anyway. So we can mix that up, apply it, and then we're good for sanding. Let's have a wander. I've applied this coat yesterday and it's come out pretty well. So let's break out the sanding block and let's have a look at that once I'm through sanding. Right, and here is our sanded finish. That's come up pretty nicely, and it's all ready for priming. And as I said, the beauty of this is that, because it's a chemical mix, it's going to dry even in the damper conditions. So there it is, and I say it's a great product. It gets you out of a lot of problems. The beauty is it's of course interior but also exterior with the correct handling. You can read the instructions on the bag, but that's success. You see, I haven't sanded this to perfection because again it is exterior wood, and I can leave a little bit of, shall we say, character in this look. But anyway, that is something to keep in mind the next time you have a problem where you're really not sure how to, cover and blend it all in. So we take it there, and we'll catch you on the next one.